You can literally make $20 for each YouTube shorts that you watch and share. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Chances are you're probably already spending time every day scrolling through your feed and maybe even sharing videos that you watch with your friends. Right now, you're doing this for free. But by the end of this video, you'll know how to do this and make money from it. It's super simple. You don't need any special knowledge or experience or followers or anything like that. You literally just need your device, internet connection, and the instructions I'm about to give to you. Now, before we get started, let me show you this other platform that I absolutely swear by. It's called Rapid Profit Machine, and it teaches you one of the best systems out there, especially for beginners. What I love about this is that they don't make crazy promises. This is perfect for a side hustle. And when you look through the testimonials, you can see how many people are able to make an extra few $1,000s per month, per week, and even per day. I've left a link in the description so that you can learn more about Rapid Profit Machine for free and see if it's something you'd be interested in. So definitely check that out. Now, let's get to the main website that I want to show you today. No matter where you live, you can make some cash here. How much? Well, that depends on where you're at. For instance, in Greenland, you could snag a cool $20 just by watching a video. In Iceland, it's a solid $13. If you're in the US, you might score $12, and in the United Kingdom, it's a decent $10. But if you're in Mexico, you'll still pocket at least $4. Even if your country isn't listed, you can still rake in a fair $3.50. Plus, if you binge watch a bunch of YouTube shorts, that cash can pile up fast. I'll come back to this website to show how we're going to use it in just a moment. But for now, let's talk about the YouTube videos that you'll be watching and making money from. So first up, head over to YouTube and check out the Shorts tab. That's where you'll find the hottest short videos. Look for ones with over 1 million views or around that number. You'll come across loads of videos, some with millions or even hundreds of millions of views. While you're checking them out, keep an eye on stuff like likes, comments, and shares to see how popular they are. Pick videos that match your interests and the audience you want to reach. Aim for ones that could really blow up. Basically, you want to make sure that the videos you pick are popular with potential for others to be interested in them. It will make sense why you should pick these sorts of videos in just a moment. All right, so once you've done some research, the first thing we want to do is find a niche that's not too crowded. Just spend about 10 minutes exploring, and you'll probably have a good idea of a niche you want to take forward. Take Minecraft, for example. It's a game loved by people all over the world. You probably know it's all about building and exploring virtual worlds made of blocks. Now, here's the awesome thing about Minecraft. There's a huge fan base, so there's always a demand for videos like these. And while I'll be using Minecraft as my example in today's video, there's also tons of other niches to check out, like in beauty, DIY, true crime, and much more. Just have a think through what you're actually interested in and what you can see working best with the method I'm showing you. For me, I found this Minecraft channel. They have millions of subscribers, and the shorts are quite cool and get a lot of views, so I'll pick a popular one and copy the link for it. To do this, just click on the video and go straight to the Share tab. There, you'll find the key to this whole process: the URL. This link is super important because it's what turns views into cash. Next, head over to the website I showed you earlier, which is called ShrinkEarn. If we scroll down a bit, you can learn more about what ShrinkEarn is exactly. Essentially, you take the link from your selected YouTube videos, shorten the link with this website, and then when you share that link with others, you get paid. Why do you get paid? Because whenever people click on the shortened link, they see things like ads which make ShrinkEarn money. And in return, they pay you money. So now that you understand how it works, the next thing to do is to paste your YouTube video URL there. Tick the "I'm not a robot" box to prove you're human, and watch as it magically turns into a shortened money link. This link is special because if the original video is really popular, you can expect loads of clicks. You could make up to $20 for every 1,000 visits, of course depending on where you're located. Once you're logged in, you'll see a really user-friendly page. Go to the new shortened link section, paste your original link, click the shorten button, and bam! Your very own money link is ready to go. Now let's come up with a smart plan. So you want to share your link with people who are interested in the niche that you selected. If you went for the makeup niche, then you'll want to share your video with people interested in makeup. If you pick the DIY niche, you want to share your video with people interested in DIY. For today's example, I want to share this link with Minecraft fans. I don't want to send it to people who aren't interested in Minecraft. So I'll head over to the buzzing community of Planet Minecraft, which is a great forum all about Minecraft. People come here to share ideas, chat about gameplay tips, and get feedback on their Minecraft adventures. With a massive 600,000 active threads bursting with activity, this forum is the perfect place to showcase your awesome Minecraft video to a group of interested and excited people. Here you can find threads with views ranging from 200 to 1,000. Now write a short and catchy message like, "Hey, found this cool Minecraft video, check it out." Don't forget to add your shortened link so people can easily watch it. You won't make money unless people specifically click on that link. Something else you can do is head over to Facebook and join groups. So for example, I can join Minecraft-related groups where I'll meet tons of Minecraft fans. I can post something like, "Just found an amazing Minecraft video. It's going viral." And then I'd add my link. You can do this for whatever niche you pick. For example, if it's the beauty niche, you could share a video on how to do winged eyeliner and join makeup groups. And then just post something like, "OMG, I just found this crazy eyeliner hack," and then add the link. The key is to make sure that you come across as natural and not as spammy. Otherwise, people will think that you're sending them somewhere dodgy with your link. And of course, you can share your link on other social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. Really, you just want to be where people who would be interested in your niche will be. That's why I'd recommend that you pick a niche that you're already interested in. That way, it won't even feel like work, but you're still making money. You're just posting and interacting with others who have the same interests as you. Personally, I think that's the biggest hack with this method. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.